Good day, everyone. Our research is entitled Reading Motivation and Home Literacy Influence among selected UMs in Municipality of Tanza and its impact to information literacy skills, input for developing technical assistance of master teachers. My name is Ana Karina A. Natividad, and together with me is Sir Marley M. Tangalin. We're from Tanza National Trade School. Motivation towards reading is characterized as a person's desired outcomes, principles, and philosophies. This is from Guthrie and Wakefield of 2017. Reading motivation, home literacy influence, and information literacy skills are expected from students to achieve success academically. This is from Yang Badri and Arashidi of 2018.
Research question. What is the level of reading motivation, home literacy influence, and information literacy skills among humanities and social science learners in Municipality of Tenza? Is there a significant relationship between reading motivation and home literacy influence on the information literacy skills of the respondents? What proposed program and policies can be formulated to improve the technicalities given by the master teacher?
Parental involvement in home literacy activities is primarily responsible for the associations between home literacy and school literacy achievement. This is from Alston and Abel and Beringer of 2018. This study aims to fill a gap in the literature by examining the relationship between student motivation and home literacy condition on student reading achievement to form a technical assistance for master teachers in strengthening reading programs and policies.
Methodology, descriptive, quantitative, correlational research design was employed. Samples was calculated by using G-power under convenience sampling with 346 respondents from Tansa Compre and Tansa National Trade School. Reliability, consistency, and Cronbaalpaq was used for data collections validity. Ethical issues, compliance with the 2020 DepEd Research Management Guidelines. Research instrument, reading questionnaire using 4 Likert scale, home literacy influence, questionnaire using a 4 Likert scale of 15 questionnaires, information literacy skills level, adapting the 12-item questionnaire using 5 Likert scale by Olo Waseye and Uyet Tola.
This shows that the students are moderately confident in their motivation for reading. This pie chart shows the students are slightly confident on the influence of literacy at their homes. This shows that students are fairly confident in their information literacy skills. This shows the low confidence scores. This shows that reading motivation has significant relationship with information literacy skills, while home literacy influence has no significant relationship with information literacy skills. This is our summary of findings. This is the Master Teacher's Action Plan. And this is Project Discern, developing interest skills, competency, and evaluating reading needs. For our conclusion, students are moderately confident in their motivation for reading, while students are slightly confident on the influence of literacy and fairly confident in their information literacy skills. Level of reading motivation has significant relationship with information literacy skills. Taken separately, both have significant positive relationship. And the proposed and programs and policies are as follows. And this is our Project Discern.
Recommendation, study will serve as a baseline data for future intervention. Literacy skills program, lock session, this could be served as a lock session material. Further studies on dependent variables can be taken separately. Study can be replicated in other schools, levels, and divisions. Creation and formulations of other programs and policies.
These are our references. And before we end our presentation, may I just say that literacy is the door to knowledge, essential to individual self-esteem and empowerment. Books in all forms play an essential role here. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you.